When it comes to the best mid-range device, the upcoming Google Pixel 7a is one of the best one, as most of the details about that smartphone has been leaked, leaving very little to the imagination. Despite this, it could end up being one of the best cheap Android phones on the market when it's released. The handset will reportedly make its debut next month at Google I/O 2023 and will be immediately available after the event. Today we are getting some new set of information about the Pixel 7a which give us a pretty much good idea and the first ever look of the protective case for the Pixel 7a. Now today we have got these images from the WinFuture, a website that has fairly reliable track record in the past and has been known to get its hands on official promotional images and renders early. This time it's presented a full gallery showing off the Pixel 7a in three color options which are charcoal, snow and sea. Although it has been reported that there will be fourth option with the coral variant, but that model is going to be exclusive to the Google store as well. Now, for the most part, the Pixel 7 is looking similar to the Pixel 7 series, offering a relatively familiar design, but having a fairly unique look in the back with its large camera bar. As we know that protective case for the Pixel 7a has been released, we can see that they look pretty similar to what you find on other Pixel handset. As far as the color go, we are getting the same color option as the devices itself. No, for the pricing on the cases has yet to be shared, so it's look like we will at least have something to look forward to when the accessories are officially announced. Now, when it comes to the Pixel 7a specification, the handset will reportedly be having a 6.1-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, which is going to be fairly nice and a good news because previous generations A series models were coming with 60Hz refresh rate, so having a 90Hz is going to be a big jump. Another big jump is going to be the Google Tensor G2 processor, which is coming for the Pixel 7a, which is going to be one of the best processor and the fastest one when we look at the mid-range category. Like if you see the Nothing Phone 1 and the Galaxy A54, they are no match with the Google Tensor G2 processing speed, so definitely it's an edge for the Pixel 7a. As far as the RAM and storage is concerned, we are seeing an 8 GB of RAM and 2 storage option with 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. Now for the pricing, it has been reported from different leaks that you could see a $50 of a price hike in this year Pixel 7a, considering it's going to be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a new design. So having a $50 upgrade is not going to be a big issue and it will cost you around $500 according to the leaks. Now with that being said, I am really sure that this is going to be one of the best mid-range category device and you should wait up till the Google I/O. There are literally few weeks remaining for the announcement of that particular device on May 10th. So definitely this is a device you should check out if you're looking for a best mid-range device. Yes, you can argue that the Pixel 7a might be coming with a bigger bezels, but other than that, this device is a beast both in the performance and in the camera department. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about the Pixel 7a? Which feature do you think is going to be best one for the Pixel 7a series? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Peace.